Here, what's going on with him next door? Is he no wheel or something?
Not that I know of.
His blinds are all shut. He's not on holiday, is he?
You'd think if he went on holiday he would have said something to us. Or to you even. I mean, we're his neighbours and his friends, come on in.
Well, I would have thought so. I'll tell you what, I'm not happy with it. You're not happy with that, you know. I mean, he could be lying behind the door there, you know. Could be lying.
I think you're a bit...
I'm going to want to check.
Do you not think you're a bit premature, Bill?
He could be lying behind the door, it could be anything. That's your neighbour, we've got to check on him. I'm going to want to check, I'm not happy.
What is it? What's there?
Dave, it's me. It's Bill. You alright?
Of course I'm alright. I'm just a bit busy just now. For God's sake, you're worse than my mother. Geese peace and get lost.
There's no need to be like that. Here, what's the matter with him? Have I done something to annoy him or something?
Absolutely no idea.
What a scunner.
There's a taxi. Look at that. He's got a fancy woman.
Oh, shock horror. Hold the front pages. Dave's got a lady friend.
Lady friend? What are you talking about? A fancy woman, that's what she is.
Oh, for goodness sake, he's got a lady friend. It's not against the law, is it, Bill?
Well, he's been keeping that quiet, as you know. What's the big secret if he's just a lady friend? God, she's a fancy woman, that's how.
What are you talking about?
She'll be bleeding them dry, no doubt, taking him for every penny he's got.
Well, that won't take very long, won't it? Because he's about as skint as we are.
That's no the point. I'm going to have a word with him.
Bill, it's none of your business.
I'll be having a word with him.
Come on, cup of tea. So that time already? That's needed.
I'm going to want to have a word with him. Dave!
Alright, Bill.
Turned out nice again, eh?
Aye, it was.
I'll see you later, alright? I'll see you later, okay?
Well, did you meet her?
No exactly.
What do you mean, no exactly?
No exactly.
Did you meet her or did you not?
Yes and no.
What does that mean, Bill? Does he have a fancy woman?
No. I think he just borrows her clays.